Hi, welcome back to LeetCode. Today I'm going to discuss LeetCode problem 1106, parsing a Boolean expression. Okay, so what is the problem statement? Problem statement that a Boolean expression is an expression that evaluates to either true or false. It can be in one of the following shapes. So one shape is possible is that T means true, F means false. Okay, and this kind of also it can be present like not then expression. Okay, so it means what, that whatever the value actually this expression have final value, this will actually give the opposite value, not of that value. So if it is actually this value is true, then the output of this will be actually ultimately false. Got it? So only for AND of this structure is AND, then expression 1, expression 2 in this. So this means actually expression 1 and expression 2 in this way. Okay, and similarly for or means expression 1 or expression 2. Got it? So we'll be given a string expression that represent a Boolean expression, return the evaluate of that expression. So we have to return the final value. So what is the go to the example 1. So expression is and opening bracket or then if. Okay, so ultimately what will be the value? So first of all we have to evaluate this value, this expression. So this expression is or of f, correct? Or of f. So what will be this value? F or f, it will ultimately return false. So what will be the expression after that? And of f. So this will f and f, so it will actually ultimately false. So that's why answer will be false. Got it? Similarly for this example 2, or of f t. So what does this expression means? This expression indicates f or t. So for this, any one of this actually true, so then that time for or it will return true. So that's why here actually one true is present, so that's why it will return actually true. Got it? So that's why here actually answer is true. So this problem statement is actually clear, right? That we have to just evaluate the expression on the basis of the structure. So what is actually base condition? Base condition, how actually we can solve this? First of all, we will have any expression. Suppose it can be present and of a comma b comma c. Okay, so what does it mean? This means a of b, a and b and c. Correct? We have to return the final value, true or false. Now whenever we see we have seen any and operator, that time we have to find out what is actually expression. So what is the expression starting from this opening bracket and ending here actually the closing bracket. So any comma separated, actually this actually indicate that one operand actually we have actually ended and next operand is starting, correct? So here actually you can check. So for this expression, okay, and of a comma b comma c, so this index will be 0, this index will be 1, this will be 2, comma will be 3, b will be at 4, and next comma will be at 5, 6, c will be at 6, and this will be 7. Correct? Position of each character, index of each character. Now whenever we have seen any and at any index, first of all we will, if we traverse from left to right, first we will receive this, we will see this AND operator first. Then what will do? We already know this. Okay, this is actually AND operator. Okay, so whatever actually expression I have to find out what is the AND value. So I will iterate the from opening bracket to closing bracket. I will actually store all the operand like a, b, c. I will store that. Okay, then finally what we'll do? We will actually find the absolute value of final value of this. So a and b and c in this way. It can be d, it can be e in this way. Multiple operand can be present. So then what is the final value of that? That we have to return that value. Similarly for OR case also, OR of a comma b comma c. So what will we have seen any okay, this operator is OR. So what will do? we'll store all the operand for this expression. So I'll store a, b, c. Then what will I will evaluate the or value in this way. So I'll return this actually final value. I'll return this. Okay. So two situations I've already discussed. One situation is what I have to do if I have seen any AND operator. Similarly for OR operator. Okay, so any other operator can be present, can present in this expression. In this expression, yes, on or not operator, right? So not whenever we will see any not operator. So it will actually or I will find out what is the value of this true. So I'll just reverse the value of this. Now can be there multiple operand can be present for this not situation, not operator with not operator, not of a comma p. This is possible? No, because not operator can only work with only one operand. It will only work false or it will only work true. Correct? This can be the actual explanation. So we'll see here whenever we see any not operator, I will check what is the actually ultimate value of this between opening bracket and closing bracket. Correct? So not operator, I have discussed this for not operator. Now what is the base condition? Like what will be the actually base? Like base condition, like base condition here actually T and F. T means what? T means true. T means true and F means false. Correct? F means false. So if we recursively we have to think about the recursive function, any recursive approach. So what I will do, whenever I see any T or F, so I can directly return from here that this is a true value or false value. Correct? And whenever you see any current index value actually or, then what I will do, I will evaluate this expression value. Like first of all, I will find out what is the operand present in this expression. Then I will find out what is the ultimate value, like A, B, C. First of all I find, then actually I will take A or B or C, this value. So I will return this value. Correct? Next, if I have and we have seen any AND operator, then I will similar way for OR case I will handle the similar way. Correct? For the AND operator also. For not, I will check for not operator. When I have seen any not operator, I will check what is the value ultimately present in this expression. Correct? So now go to actually code. So this is actually the main function we're calling parse Boolean expression, and I will get a string input expression, right? So starting from left to right, our index will be starting from usually 0, and I am calling this helper function. This is actually recursive function. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll pass the expression and the index, starting index. So if a current index, expression of index, it can be not and or. Correct? So for not situation, I have defined a new function, and for and also I have defined another function for handle. This is not expression, this is and expression, this is for or expression. Okay, and if none of this actually matched, then what will do? What will be actually the current character? It can be true or false. So that time I can directly return from here. I call this a different function for letter, true or false, and I'm passing this expression and the index. Okay, correct? So for this, first of all, I will see the solve letter function. What it will do, I will get the expression and the index. So what will be the actually ultimate character value, true or false? So I'll check what is the character of this present in this current index. So I'll just increase the index to go to the next index. And if our current character, like true or false, current character means the index actually I passed. That's it, true or T means true, return true, else return false. Got it? And here actually index is actually already set. Go to the next index, because I have here actually taken passing the address of the index variable. Correct? That's why it will be actually globally it will reflect the changes for the index value. Correct? Now what will you see? I will see the solve and expression. So I have if I see any and operator. So what I will do? I will first of all, this is the expression. Suppose so current index is the current character is the and. So first of all, I am starting from index is equal to index plus 2. So why? So this is actually 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So currently I am here actually. I'll call this function by seeing this current index. Current index is what? 0. Suppose this is actually the only expression. So current character will be address and, correct? And next first operand will starting from index 2. So that's why I'm directly shifting this index to plus 2. Correct? So I'm starting currently pointing A here. So what I'll do? Currently our result initially actually true by default, and I will see if there are any false, then our AND value will be false. So that's why I'm iterating our expression string till there is no closing bracket. This will be the ending of this expression. So that's why if this current character is comma, that means I have already just keep this, just skip the current character and go to the next. That means what? I have already seen because there is another next operand can be present. So that's why I'll go to the next index. That's why I'm just shifting the index plus plus. Okay, else what will happen? There can be multiple expression in nested expression can be present, right? So AND of, then not of, true. Okay, then suppose this is false, then true, then true. This can be present. So first of all, then what will do? If this actually this can be another expression, this expression can be another expression. So what will do? I will call this again this function, this solve function that will actually handle. Like it can be directly any true or false can be present in this position. Otherwise it can be present, another expression can be present. So that's why I'm calling this function solve again. I'm passing the expression again. The expression means the input string and the index. Index will be modified now. This I means not. Correct? Correct. And I will get the ultimate result for this expression. For this expression, true or false, anything can be. And I will take the AND value of this result. Result is the result I have to return for this expression. And I will take the value of the current expression, this nested expression. Got it? And I will shifting the index plus plus. Why index plus plus? Because our index will be ultimately present, will point to the closing bracket. So I will shift this at the end, index plus plus, and return the result. Got it? It is clear. Similar for the OR expression also, it will be similar. So first of all, I am shifting this index plus is equal to 2 because next it similarly for the expression will be OR comma A comma B comma C. So this is 0, 1, 2. So you can see actually currently I am pointing here. I am here actually I is equal to 0, and our operand is starting from index is equal to 2. Correct? So that's why I'm shifting this index plus equal to 2, and our result will be false. Or means what? If any true I have seen any in my expression, that time our result will be true. So that's why initially it is false by default, and if I see any true, that time it will return true. So that's why now iterating the expression again. So till we have not seen any closing bracket, that is actually expression for this current expression. Okay, so similarly if it is comma, then just go to the next index. Else what will happen? We have actually one operand. So this can be one nested expression can be present. So that's why I'm calling this solve function again, similar way. Okay, so this will actually handle if there is any nested expression. On the condition basis, it will actually call that, and it will ultimately return the expression value of the nested expression. Clear? So now I will take the OR value, and ultimately we are actually shifting similar way. We're actually shifting the index to the next index because we are currently pointing to the closing bracket. Correct? This will break on we have reached the closing bracket, and we're shifting this to end this expression and return result. Okay, clear? If any doubt, you can actually comment on that, and if this is clear for you, please you can also comment on that it is clear. And you have any suggestion, and please like the video, and if you not yet subscribed, please subscribe the channel. And now we have seen only one function is left, that actually not expression. What will actually have? Not of A. So I'm currently pointing here 0, 1, 2, 3. So currently I'm pointing here 0. So what I'll do, I'll just shift the index is equal to plus 2. So now it will point to A, correct? Index 2. And I will this can be another nested expression can be present. So I'm calling this function solve again. I'm passing the expression and the modified index will be 2 now. and index plus plus. Index plus plus means this will be here actually now. Correct? It is clear? And ultimately I am return the not value. Not means the complement value. Like if it is true, ultimate value is true, then I return true, I return actually false. Correct? So I return not of false. Clear? So what a time closer to this time complexity. So you can check where actually we have any string, suppose length is n, so we're iterating each character once. Each character you can check. So suppose we have actually int of a comma b comma c. So what do you have to do? We are just iterating each operand. First of all we have to iterate and, okay, then we'll say okay this is the and operator. So what I'll do, I will find out what the expression means operand present in the expression. So I will find out ABC, then I will actually take the and value. Correct? It is clear. So that's the time total big of n, whatever the length of the input string or input expression. And any space complexity? No. Space complexity, it can be big of n because recursively we are calling this, so stack can go up to big of n. Like all are actually nested, like in this way. And of then end of then false. Got it? So in this actually it can go up to big of n, our stack can go up to big of n. Correct? Because first of all we'll check okay this is big of and operator, so I'll go to the next nested what is the expression of this. So okay again this is actually and operator, so I'll go to the expression of this. In this way first it will call recursive 1, recursive 2 stack, then recursive 3. Recursive 3 will present here actually. This is for recursive 1, this is for recursive 1, this is for recursive 2, this is recursive 3. Correct? And recursive 4 actually it will evaluate this false. It will return false, and this again it will return false, it will return false ultimately. So our stack can go up to big of n. Correct? So that's why space considered big of n or space. It is clear? I have actually shared this this code in the description box. You can actually follow this once more, and if any it is not clear, then again actually you can actually see the video again, and if you still have any doubt you can comment on that. Certainly I will actually reply.